Welcome to PET PLAST India, your trusted partner in bottling solutions. Presenting our 60 BPM fully automatic water bottle plant, designed for speed, efficiency, and hygiene. From preform loading to bottle blowing, rinsing, filling, and capping, every step is fully automatic, ensuring precision and cleanliness. With a production capacity of 60 bottles per minute, optimized energy and water usage, and reliable performance, this plant is ideal for growing your business efficiently. PET PLAST India, 15 years of trust, innovation, and dedicated support. Contact us today and take your water bottling business to the next level.